Today's processes are drowning in documents, from invoices to contracts to claims. They slow down decision-making and cost businesses time and money. Accelerate your work with OpenText Content Aviator, the AI content assistant that helps you analyze documents, extract insights, and act in seconds. Let's see Content Aviator in action by looking at an example about retail claim analysis. In this scenario, we are a manufacturer. Evergreen Sports resells our clothing products, and they claim they didn't receive everything they were invoiced for. In an OpenText Core Content Management business workspace, I've got access to their documents, like invoices, bills of lading, and proof of deliveries. To analyze the claim, I simply click on Content Aviator and ask it to compare what was invoiced, shipped, and received. AI immediately makes the comparison and shows me the results in an easy-to-read table, plus the reference docs, in case I want to double-check anything. Next, I need to write an email so my manager can use the analysis to close this claims process. Thanks to my AI content assistant, it's ready in seconds. With one click, I can copy and then send. From document comparison tables to automated summaries to drafted emails, OpenText Content Aviator increases team efficiency across use cases, whether you're resolving disputes, preparing reports, or making key decisions. Reimagine knowledge, resolve faster, put your content to work with OpenText Content Aviator.